If you've got a phone that's having charging issues, this could be a potential fix. So if you go to plug your charger cord in, and for whatever reason it doesn't go in properly, or it's a bit off angle and it actually doesn't let the phone charge, could be an issue with your charger port. Don't worry, it doesn't need replacing, it could just need a clean out. First thing to do, switch off your phone. Once that's switched off, it's a lot safer to work on the port. Get a little pin or a SIM card ejector tool, and then just see what you can work out of the port. Generally go around the edges, stay away from the middle, because that's usually where the connections go. As you can see, this one already has a lot of gunk coming out of it. Work around the edges, around where the clip is, the clip's in. Just as I said, to try and avoid the center section, because this is where all the connections are. They actually electronically connect. Still got more coming out. Let's see how this plugs in first. There we go, plugs in a lot better. And now it's charging. So hopefully that helps you solve the problem.